Ought, used to indicate duty or correctness, typically when criticizing someone's actions. Should, must, need to. Receptive, willing to consider or accept new suggestions and ideas. Open, responsive, welcoming. Scheme, a plan or arrangement for doing or organizing something, often in secret or dishonestly. Plan, strategy, plot. Colorant, a substance used to add color to something. Dye, pigment, coloring agent. Solidified, changed into a solid state, hardened, set, congealed, ample, more than enough, plentiful, abundant, plentiful, sufficient. Statutes, a written law passed by a legislative body. Laws, regulations, enactments. Patent, a government authority or license conferring a right or title for a set period, especially the sole right to exclude others from making, using, or selling an invention. Copyright, license, privilege, detained, held or kept back, not allowed to proceed, held, confined, arrested, discussed, detained now. Auction, a public sale in which goods or property are sold to the highest bidder. Sale, bidding, auctioning. Alleged, said without proof to have taken place or to have a specified illegal or undesirable quality. Supposed, purported, claimed. Learn about alleged events with Lexiloom. Subscribe now.